Good morning everyone and welcome to Daily Challenge 9 on Thursday the 2nd of April. Now today, after the success of my pancakes, if I do say so myself, last week, we're going to have a wee go at making a smoothie. Now smoothies are something that my family have a lot of. My children enjoy them. They're very expensive out the supermarkets. So in this time where we're having to be careful about what we eat in the supermarkets, I'm going to have a wee go at making a smoothie myself. Now in the past I have tried this with varying success, and generally I've crammed as much fruit etc in as I can, but I'm going to try and be a wee bit more frugal with the ingredients and just make a simple bare necessities smoothie. So here goes. What I have in front of me is a banana. Now I'm just going to chop the banana fine into small pieces so that they don't come flying out when I start making the smoothie. Keep my thumbs out the way. And I'm simply going to add them to the bowl. And in this bowl I have a few scoops of just standard vanilla ice cream. In here I have the contents of 2 small yogurts. And have a good taste of that, very good. And then I'm going to put, to bind that all together, some milk. Now, as always in the Kilpatrick kitchen, I don't quite have the right utensils, so I'm going to be giving it a go with this zazer, as we call it in my house, and we'll see how that works. There we go. You've no idea how nervous I was about that. And I think that's ready for trying. Right folks, here we are, a bit of a live experiment. Well, it's live for us, but I promise you, I haven't set this up. I'm a wee bit nervous about the reaction I'm going to get, but here is the smoothie. We're going to give a wee bit to Sophie, and a wee bit to Adam, and a wee bit to me, and then we'll hear from everyone what they think, how tasty it is. Do we get a thumbs up? Or will we get a thumbs down? Let's see. Adam, take up your glass. Sophie, take your glass. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's try it. Try it, Sophie. Adam, was that tasty? On a scale of 1 to 10, how tasty was it?
Super tasty.
Super tasty. Sophie, how tasty was that? Was it good? Well, I'm claiming that as a magnificent success. Let's say goodbye to the boys and girls. Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay folks, just a wee safety warning at the end. Please ask your parents' permission before you use the kitchen. If you're involving small children in your smoothie making, be very careful because they can be rather dangerous, as you might imagine. Apart from that, collate your work, write down a recipe, take a picture of your smoothie, a video of you drinking it. We want to hear all about it when we see you back in school. I'll catch you tomorrow.